Hi, this is Devin Hobb with Remax, and we are in Lehi today in the Park Estates neighborhood, which is a sub-HOA of Ivory Ridge. And Ivory Ridge, they have a clubhouse with a swimming pool, indoor and outdoor tennis year-round, and they have a fitness center with community fitness classes. It's a really awesome community. And anyway, so this neighborhood, they also have a 9-acre park in the neighborhood that has a splash pad and walking trails. So for Northeast Lehi, this is one of my favorite neighborhoods. And this home was built by Ivory. You can see it has a beautiful front porch that you don't typically see in Utah. There's also a very large RV pad, so you can park your extra trailers or camping trailers. I'm gonna take you on a tour now and show you some of the features and get you oriented with this home. All right. Upon entering the home, we have a nice living room here, and you'll notice a lot of beautiful trim work has been done. Nice custom woodwork along this wall here, and there's a gas log fireplace. And over here we have a front office. We have the glass French doors here, and a nice office. There's not a closet in here, so it wouldn't be a bedroom, but it is a good office. And then we've got a beautiful dining area. It's large, fits a great table. You'll see beautiful light fixtures that have been upgraded over time, and really beautiful kitchen. So this is a deluxe kitchen. The cabinets are all custom. They were not builder grade cabinets. The builder let them bring in a different cabinet supplier and really trim this kitchen nicely. On this side of the island, we've got a built-in microwave spot, some more storage cabinets as well. We do have a gas cooktop stove, which is nice. And back here, we've got, there is a double wide pantry here. And then we've got a half bath on the main floor. So again, beautiful trim work in this half bath. And we have a nice little nook here. I'll take you upstairs. Okay, so up here we've got 3 bedrooms. The master bedroom is here, and it is a good size. So this is a king size bed. You can see this room is very spacious. There's a lot of depth on this room. We have vaulted ceilings, again, upgraded light fixture. And in here we have tile flooring in the master bath, and a very, very large walk-in closet. And we do have a separate tub shower. Nice subway tile work has been done, and really nice paint trimming in this master bath. So it's a very nice master bathroom. And over here we have a laundry room here, but we're kind of using it as the storage room right now as they're getting ready to move, so we're not going to show it. And then we have guest bedroom number 2 here. And then we've got bedroom 3 right here. You can see this is a pretty big closet, probably 6 feet wide on the opening, and extra foot or 2 on the sides once you're in there. Over here we have the hall bathroom. It's got a tile floor, again with the nice cabinets that were brought in, and we have a fiberglass shower bathtub combo. And I'll take you downstairs now to the finished basement. Okay, so down here, we've got a really nice living room area with a built-in cabinetry, and then they have a little wet bar here. So we have the sink and a mini fridge right here, and mini fridge is included. Right here is the utility area. You got the furnace and the water heater. So there's that. This is a nice tile floor. And then we do have a walkout basement. So separate entrance right here to the basement. And on this side, we've got 2 more bedrooms. So this will be bedroom number 4. Again, it's nicely trimmed right here with the woodwork. And we've got a beautiful bathroom. Nice little octagon tiles on the floor, quartz countertops, and then we've got the shower tub combo here. Very spacious. And this will be bedroom 5. So this bedroom has a large closet along this whole wall, but it's also the access to the cold storage, which you got to come in here and see. So the cold storage is pretty big. It wraps, because this house has a nice East Coast style porch. So we're underneath the whole porch right here. It's a wraparound porch. So very nice cold storage. Now I'll take you out to the backyard. All right, so back here we have a nice covered porch. So a concrete patio here, it's covered, and expanded concrete patio down here. We have a little brick fireplace over there. Gas line is not ran to it, it's just a regular log fireplace. And then it's nice, we have no backyard neighbors because the LDS Church parking lot right here. And so kind of have some privacy. And built-in trampoline. Over here we have an awesome RV pad. So this has got to be at least 13 feet wide, probably, maybe 14. But yeah, so awesome RV pad. The gates will open up and fully make it accessible to back here. And then we have the separate entrance. So very nice backyard. I hope you enjoyed watching this video tour and got a good feel for the layout of the home, as well as some of the features and also the neighborhood. The neighborhood is a 10 out of 10 in my opinion. So if you'd like to come and see this home in person, feel free to reach out to me or reach out to the agent you're already working with and come and see this home. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more video home tours, as well as market statistics and updates. Thanks for watching.